Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to Love Jhanelle. I am Jhanelle. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Well, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and whether you celebrate on the day or you practice loving on your significant others, your loved ones, and your friend on an everyday basis, the waist beads I'm about to mention to you today are going to help enhance the energy of love. Now, I do have a waist bead video set up just exploring the colors and the significance, the meaning of each color and what energy it does bring to you. That will be coming soon. Today I'm going to be focusing on just a few of the colors and the ones specifically to enhance that energy of love. If you're interested in making your own waist beads, I do have tutorials showing you how to make your waist beads, how to construct them, how to close them, the clasps that you may want to use. I have those videos, so I'm going to link those in the iCards here and put that in the description below. So whether you are going to be buying your own waist beads or making them yourself, it's a good idea if you do want to invoke some more love energy into your life, to find out which colors are perfect for doing that. So here we go. The first colored waist bead you might be interested in looking into is red. So that might be a no-brainer to a lot of you. We do use a lot of red when we do speak about love, and there is a reason for that. So the color red is a very bold color. It enhances your self-confidence, your self-love. If you are working on yourself, red is a nice waist bead to wear in order to just get in touch with your inner self, your inner confidence. And it is important to have self-love before you even try to give your full love to anyone else. Red also carries a raw sexual energy, so when you do think of passion, it is the red color you do see. Red also represents vitality and courage. It's possible that you may have been hurt in the past and you're afraid to go forward and give more of yourself in a new relationship. So red embodies that courage that you may need to step into a new relationship and to go a little deeper with a new partner. The next color that brings the energy of love is green. So as some of us may know already, green is our heart chakra, our Anahana chakra. When aligning your energy centers, the green chakra speaks to love more than any of the other ones. All of them may touch on it a little, but your basic heart chakra is the green. So wearing a green waist bead go hand in hand. The green represents love for yourself, love for the earth, love for others. When you are trying to reconnect spiritually, you can use the green waist beads to enhance that energy of love. The next waist beads color I want to mention is pink. Pink is dealing with femininity. Pink is also another romantic color. It's light and calm and sensitive. When you're dealing with the feminine energies, pink often represents that. Pink is also very friendly. Pink is lovable, pink is soft. So wearing a pink waist bead is going to bring you that energy. The last color I want to bring to you is silver/gray. Now on their own, they don't bring the energy of love, but they do enhance any other color that you do have on. So whatever energy you're trying to pull to you, using the colors silver and or gray in your waist bead will help you harness that energy all the more. Just like how a clear quartz crystal will enhance any other crystal that you do wear. Now, mentioning crystals, they all come in colors also. So colors vibrate in one frequency and crystals will vibrate on a higher frequency. So adding some crystals to your waist bead will help them work. I do recommend adding crystals to your waist beads. If you cannot fill your whole waist bead with crystals only, you can mix them with the beads and then add some crystals in the mix too. A few crystals that will help you enhance the energy of love that happen to be a lot of the colors that I mentioned, and they are not limited to just these crystals, but these are just a few that you can start off with. You can have crystals like rose quartz, agate, garnet, moonstones, lapis lazuli, jade, and rhodonite, to name a few. Just be clear, you can make waist beads and not include the crystals. I just recommend the crystals only because, like I said, it vibrates at a higher frequency because they are alive, and it will bring that energy to you all the more quicker. Or it will enhance that energy being brought to you. So whether it be for Valentine's Day or any other day of the year, these are my suggestions of colors, waist beads you can make and or buy in order to enhance that energy of love. Comment down below if you are knowledgeable and have any other suggestions of stones and or colors that will enhance and empower you to feel that energy of love. Like this video if you learned something today. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my ever-growing channel. And until next time, lovelies.
Don't confuse me with somebody else, 'cause I've been working, I've been moving in stealth. Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.